Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit like Zack D. Films. His style is characterized by incredibly fast-paced editing, designed to keep viewers constantly engaged. He masterfully blends quick cuts, dynamic transitions, and a distinct sense of humor. The goal is to deliver information and entertainment in a highly condensed and visually stimulating format. You'll notice a constant flow of new visuals and audio cues, preventing any moment from feeling dull or drawn out. This approach creates a unique, energetic viewing experience. A cornerstone of this editing style is the frequent use of jump cuts, often every 1 to 2 seconds, to eliminate dead air and maintain momentum. Sound design is equally crucial. Carefully chosen sound effects amplify comedic moments and transitions, while upbeat background music sets the energetic tone. Additionally, text overlays and simple graphics are strategically placed to highlight key information or deliver punchlines, adding another layer of visual engagement. These elements work together to create a highly dynamic visual and auditory experience. Pacing is paramount. Individual shots rarely exceed 2 seconds, ensuring a constant visual refresh. This rapid-fire approach keeps the audience's attention locked in. He expertly uses B-roll footage, often humorous or illustrative, to break up direct address and add visual interest. Even with the quick cuts, a clear, concise narrative thread is maintained, guiding the viewer through the content. Every visual choice serves to advance the story or enhance a joke, making each second count. To truly capture the essence, pay close attention to color grading, aiming for a vibrant, slightly stylized look that pops. Crystal clear audio is non-negotiable for both narration and those impactful sound effects. Beyond technical skills, developing a consistent comedic voice and brand identity is key. This involves understanding your audience and refining your unique blend of humor and information delivery. With practice, you can achieve a polished, engaging style that resonates with viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.